Hello everyone, this is your friend Ala from iMerujiNet. So in this short video, I'll show you guys one of the tasks that an administrator, especially those people working in a data center or a place where they have a local computer room equipped with all different kinds of devices, servers, network equipment, would be challenged to do. It is upgrading the RAM, the memory, adding or removing the RAM. So in this case, actually, I'm here in front of my server. It's a DELL PowerEdge R610. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is to open the chassis. So I just pull this little black lift, then just gonna push and lift the chassis. I'll put it on the side, and as you can see here, actually, here we have the RAM slots. We have the channel A in here. On servers usually there are 2 channels, and there's the channel B. For this model of servers, it has 6 memory slot on every channel. Okay, so here, as you can see, for the purpose of this demonstration, I freed up the last 2 slots actually, so that we can try to upgrade with this memory stick. It's a 4 gig only. I'm just demonstrating in this to show how we could do that. So I will approach slowly and try to put it here where it's supposed to go. Okay, so once in there, not sure if you see there's a little bit, it's white in here, but it's black in here. Small thing, that's a clip to fix, to make sure that the RAM is well fixed. You just push it, then the little clip will come and stick on it. Here you are. So this one is done. I'll take the other one. Okay, here I am. Push it. Look at that, it came. Okay, so once we're done, what I have to do is to put the chassis back. Just need to make sure the chassis in the right place. It has little slides actually, goes on, so once in here, just slide it. Okay, so once in the slides, to close it, you'll just have to push and put this little lift back down, and that's all. So now we just turn on the server, and if things are well, the new RAM should be added to the total capacity of the server. One thing to mention actually, the best practices about the memory is to be for the sticks to be the same size, the same geometry. I mean, there's on every memory stick there are numbers. Okay, for example, in this case was showing PCL3. It means it's DDR3. And also it shows 10,600. This number changed from stick to stick. There are some only with 8,000. There are some with 12,000. So if the memory is the same manufacturer, the same geometry, DDR3, DDR4, wherever, and it has the same frequency number, whatever it is. Other than that, when you mix memories, it might work, but sometimes it doesn't work that well. it will throw you warnings and all this kind of stuff. So that's what I wanted to share with you in this short video. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.